What is a noun? A noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, animal, or idea. Examples:
Place Canada, New York, London. Person: Ali, Maya, Tom. Thing: phone, pen, chair. EDEA. Freedom, happiness, love. Types of noun. 1. Proper noun. 2nd. Common noun. 3rd. Concrete noun. 4. Abstract noun 5. Collective noun 6th. Countable noun 7. Uncountable noun 8. Compound noun. Proper noun: names of specific people, places, or things. Always capitalized. Example: London, Monday, YouTube. Ali, Eiffel Tower. Common noun: general names of people, places, or things, not capitalized. Examples: city, book, teacher, country.